How long is it since I uploaded a video? 9 months. It's been 9 months since I uploaded a video. The last time I uploaded a video was literally in 2021. How has it been so damn long? It's coming up to 10 months actually. It's not even 9. You thought I was looking at something on my phone? I'm looking at nothing. Absolutely nothing. My phone's not even on for actually. Look how small this phone is. It literally is tiny. Anyway, I haven't uploaded a video for 9 months. It's coming up to 10 months at this point. And you know, Christmas has happened, the New Year's happened, and I haven't even posted a video. So, Happy New Year, I guess. But anyway, it's coming up to 10 months now. This intro is already a minute long, and it's too long. So, ever since 2020 happened, every year has felt like this. Oh, hell no. I'm gonna get Packer Punch ready because I bloody need it now. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, well, actually no, like, I haven't posted in, 9 months, 10 months now. It's been too long since I've posted a video. I also don't really know what that intro was. It was just an idea that I had. Okay. So I thought, because I haven't done a video in 9 months, what a better way to say I'm back than to post a and what's inside video. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just trying to drag out this intro, truth be told. But anyway, so today's a bit of a weird one. I didn't think I'd be doing this, but humax box. What? Humax box. Used to use the humax box for. Used it for years. Here it is. Yeah, it's just kind of not really anything, to be honest. It's just black. There's this wire that you can't take off as well. But yeah, here it is. humax, as you see. I used to use this all the time because of, you know, TV and stuff. We had so many recordings on here, but unfortunately, got locked out because of password we put on it. So we can't really access it, and because we moved, we need to refresh the channels and stuff. But yeah, we can't because we need a password for it, and we don't know the password. So it's got on and off switch. It's very old, as you can tell. It uses these things. I forgot what they're called. I think they're called, yeah, SCART cable, I think. These are what they use to display the picture. That's how old this is. Anyway, so I'm just gonna get right to it, basically. There is something on the back though. Oh, what? Just a screw that fell out. Okay, weird, but okay. So it says risk of electric shock. Do not open. Do you know who I am? Of course I'm opening this. Why would I listen to a sticker? Oh wait, it's not even a sticker. It's literally on the metal. Okay, well, still not listening to it. I'm still gonna take it apart. Anyway, these two flaps. One's for the controller. The other's for, I don't really know what that's for. But to start, we got a screw there. Got another one there. Not one there. But then I think that's it. I think we got one there and one here. But yeah. That's kind of all, really. So I'll start by taking them off. and then I'll show you inside. This is probably going to be a very short video. Okay, so there you go. I took off the fan as well, just so I can take that off, and I guess I'll show you that as well. But I'm pretty sure that's all the screws. I mean, these ones are just holding in these ports, so I don't think I really need to take them off. And there's no screw over here. I already took that off. Oh wait, there's one here. Oh, I didn't see that. I don't know how I didn't see that. But there is indeed one here that I need to take off as well. You know, extra one for protection. Always got to have one of those. Because, you know, if you're going to make a product, you might as well screw it down tight so no idiots try and take it apart. Yeah, you wouldn't want people taking it apart, but, I mean, I'm just doing this for educational purposes, you know. Definitely. Even though, don't get many views. Anyway, here's the inside. Well, here's not the inside. Ooh, okay, it's just coming off. I'm pretty sure that's everything, so, yep. Definitely looks like it's gonna come off. Amazing. Would you look at that? It's not even in focus. Absolutely amazing. That's better. Okay, so, there's a lot of stuff going on here. Kind of. Just do a little swipe of this. Wow, high up there, you can see me in the reflection. But yeah, look how big this damn hard drive is. It is a hard drive, right? Yeah, looks like it. Look how big this thing is. I mean, it is normally big, but Seagate. It's 160 gigabytes. I mean, if you want to read it, then caution. Product warranty is void if any seal or label is removed or the drive experiences shock in excess of 350 Gs. Okay. And yeah. Focus. There you go. Now you're getting it. So yeah, the fan comes off as well. I mean, okay. Who doesn't want a little tiny fan? Who doesn't want this? Look at this. Look at this. It looks amazing. Look at this. This is quality content right here. Little tiny fan. You know, somehow this fan is going to cool this entire board, even though it's literally tiny. It's absolutely tiny. But yeah. I mean, as you can tell, it just put the flash. It is very dusty, like extremely damn dusty. This is it's a lot of dust in there, a lot of dust going on there. Yeah, that's it really. This is for I forgot what this is called. I think it's called like I know you put like a card in it. Is it an inventory? I don't really know. I forget what it's called, but I like the yellow. Anyway, got to turn this off. I would take out the hard drive, but I mean, I can take out the hard drive. Should I take out the hard drive? I guess I could. I mean, there's 2 screws. Hold on, let me just... 2 screws there. 1 screw there. I don't think... Obviously, there's wires that I have to unplug as well if I want to take it out. I mean... Okay then, where's my screwdriver, bruh? I'll take it out. And start the secondary time lapse. Okay. Well, I think that's it. I mean, I don't... Obviously, I have to unplug the wires, but... Yeah, that's coming out. Yeah, I think I'll just... That's one. Now I get this one. You just have to give it a wiggle to take it out. There it is. Here's the hard drive. Look it in there. It probably doesn't have a camera, but like, this circuit board looks so clean compared to all of this. Like, look at this. And then look at this. Look how more green this one is compared to that. That's how much dust is on it. There's so much dust everywhere. Anyway, I could take this metal off as well, but yeah, I don't really. Anyway, when I get 100 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away this free hard drive. No, I'm joking. You're not getting it. You're not getting this. And if you are watching at this point, comment below what I should do for my 100 subscribers special, because we're getting close. And I 100 subscribers though, like, seriously, it's crazy. I don't know why I'm talking about this now when I'm talking about what's inside, and then I'm suddenly talking about 100 subscribers. Forget it. Here's the hard drive and everything. I would take out I would take out everything, like this circuit board and this. But you can kind of see it, and I don't think the underneath of this is probably just going to look like this, to be honest. It's probably nothing interesting. Oh, there's screws. Yeah, I'm going to have to put that back. Hey, look, it's a Humax box filter. Amazing. Look. Anyway, yeah, you can kind of see the inside there. Of course, if I put that on. Yeah. It looks about the same as the hard drive one, just a little bit more interesting, I guess. But yeah, that's it. That's it, really. That's what's inside. And if you're interested for another video, because okay, so I have been recording videos for months, but I haven't posted for like 9 or 10 months. So you probably have to expect like a spam of videos eventually, because I have like like at least 20 gigabytes of videos just in my gallery. I haven't even posted them yet for 9 months. So this is the first video I'm going to post, and there's probably going to be a couple videos after this. And then I'm going to have to find something else to post. I don't really know. But yeah, just to be anyone watching to the end of this video, about what, 3 videos after this one is uploaded, it's probably going to be old videos that I haven't uploaded, so expect some old videos to be coming out, because yeah, I haven't posted them at all. I don't know why, I just haven't been motivated to do to do a video for 9 months apparently. Anyway, that's it basically. If you like this video, then obviously like the video. Subscribe to claim your I was here before 100 subscriber ticket. And if you're my 100 subscriber, then you get a thank you from me. That's the best I can get. Come on, I can't. Anyway, that's the end. That's what's inside, as you see. And yeah, comment what I should do for my 100 subscriber special. And I'll see you in the next video. Whenever that is. Well, actually, yeah. Next video, I don't know when it's going to be, probably in a couple of weeks. I mean, I still got to get around to editing it, because I'm actually trying to edit more. I mean, this video is probably not going to be edited as much, because it's a what's inside video, and I'm not really going to edit what's inside videos. But I'm going to edit like reaction videos or gameplay videos or something like that. So yeah, expect me to try and up my editing a little bit, because that's what I'm trying to do. And yeah, that's kind of it. It's still kind of cool, still kind of got this. I got to put all this back now, so yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Plot twist, it's not the end of the video, because it's time for the bonus round. It's not really anything special, to be honest, but I realised you can take this front panel off, so I'm actually going to take this off as well, because it's the bonus round. So because it is the bonus round, I will take it off. So here's a reward for if you watch to the end of the video. I've already taken the screws off because there was 2 screws holding it on, but you also don't realise how many takes I just did to get that bonus round. Like, I literally just did 20 takes of me just saying the word bonus round until I got the best one. And this was the best one, so I'm just going to keep on rolling with it. Why did I do 20 takes of just me saying bonus round until I got a good one? Because YouTube. Oh, for God's sake. But yeah, so the front panel comes off with these little. Let me just get a better angle. There's 3 little flaps, so I'm just gonna try and take them off at the moment. Okay, so that's one side. Now the underneath needs to come off. So these are literally just lift and they come off. I'm just saying like I'm trying to do a tutorial on how to take it apart. It's not a tutorial on how to take it apart, but still. I don't know. Anyway. I don't know how that's going to come off. It's like a little flap. There you go. So now it's time. Ooh. I wield the sword of the what? It's cobwebs in there. Why is there cobwebs? Why is there cobwebs? Bloody spiders getting everywhere. I can take this circuit board off to see the other. Like you can kind of see it there, and you can kind of see me as well. Oh yeah, but yeah, you can kind of see it in there. But yeah, it is the sword of the box. But you all know what beats a sword, don't you? You should all know what beats a sword. A bloody gun. Weird flex, but okay. Disclaimer, it's not actually a real gun, it's a toy gun that doesn't even shoot real bullets, it shoots foam bullets in plastic cases. So YouTube, please do not kick me off YouTube because I showed a gun on screen. It's not a gun, it's a toy. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you later. So yeah, after that disclaimer, I can take these off. I do not promote gun violence in any way, shape or form. So yeah. Okay. I just hit the camera with the screwdriver. Let's go. Take the camera apart. But I'm going to see what's underneath this. Is there a dead spider underneath since there's cobwebs here? Who knows? Okay. Ew. Interesting. Well, the sword of the box has got thinner, except for that bit. But yeah, there it is, I guess. And as I said before, the sword of the box does not beat a gun. No, I'm joking. Okay, I'm joking. Put another disclaimer in there because of gun. Disclaimer, it's not actually a real gun, it's a toy gun that doesn't even shoot real bullets, it shoots foam bullets in plastic cases. So YouTube, please do not kick me off YouTube because I should have gone on screen. It's not a gun, it's a toy. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you later. Anyway. Here it is. Here's all the buttons. Oh, it's... The buttons are labelled. Even though they're already... I don't know if this is going to fall out. They're already labelled in there, but I guess that they'll label in here too. Oh well. So now, if you take it apart and just have spare circuit board, at least you know exactly what you're pressing. So that's a great thing. Stand by. Press all the buttons. Here's that little sensor that I think it's for the... This is the sensor, right? That's for the remote. I don't have the remote with me currently, but I have taken the remote apart once. So yeah, I'm just focusing on the box. That's weird. It's like a display or something. I'm guessing it's not really. There's like a display of numbers on the circuit board, but there is literally no display on this front bit. All there is lights, so that's kind of interesting, that being there. I really need to hold this more still, but I really can't. But yeah, you can see all the stuff. You can see all the little stuff. Anyway, so yeah, thanks for joining me for the bonus round. And this is where the video ends. So yeah, I will I'll put this back together, but not on camera because this video is already too long, and if I do it on camera I'm gonna probably make this video 30 minutes long because I'm also probably gonna be talking a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, and yeah, I'll see you in the next. Well, I won't see you, but I'll talk in the next video, whenever that is. Whatever. I'm doing my outro, even though I already did it about 10 minutes ago before the bonus round happened. So I'm just gonna end the video. So see ya, I guess, and subscribe so you can get the ticket for 100 subscribers and stuff. Yeah. Anyway. Bye. That's the end. And also another quick disclaimer. Gun violence is never the answer. Don't listen to me. It's not a real gun. Look, for the sake of YouTube, it's not a real gun. Don't kick me. It's fake, I swear.